everybody, welcome back. Happy Friday. Hopefully everyone has had a wonderful week. I hope you guys are ready to see this DIY because I am ready to show you as always. So let's go ahead and get on into this video. I'll be using this tray from the Dollar Tree. Using a plate like this from the Dollar Tree as well. Now this comes in a multi-pack, so when you buy these you'll have plenty of these to use on other occasions. Everybody, that is it. That's all that I have today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a big huge thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel and hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.